Dah sentil. Yaka Eastern West Castle District kabala penkhana ka jepen ki kodani yaka marang civil subdivision la plipat ba aka shipotari unai biyeng arajar arhuai da umutri rang ba ka jela ukonda sangma lengkat ka jenalang jong speaker the Maclear District Assembly uba met ba lingdo umutri jong sarkar jela ubalong ru emily jong mautarachan ba s birding nongsi kenkat ka jenawan pat ki menteri ba kamjuru ki emily jong ka jela hakan dika sengi kebansakan mau nak kamatakan dika district le dolang ru ki soda snong ki ngilam snong bat kiwi de ki rurang ba nakathan mairang bat kumjuru nakathan mautarachan constituency lai iru bahakan dika sengi dolang ru ki nongtrei sarkar bat kumjuru ki nongtrei kambalang bat kumjuru ki pat kiripak mat nakatei ka jaka abakaran hakan dika sengi ukonda sangma ula ong baka jeng Kyrteng yaka Eastern West Castle District kadai namar bakila buat yaka kemi jong ka West Castle District haka bakir kom khasi kalong buat nakakmi pula ong ruba omdei banyak kerentan yaka Kyrteng dei depan pej ai ka badan kambal ne nakamtakan di district na bakan kiu nagakadan ka basya traidu saka kadan ka basya jerong.
I was amused and at the same time concerned when I had received different messages regarding the name of the district. And I was very, I should say, saddened to see that people were more interested in making comments about the name than really giving us suggestions on how we should make the district better. Very easy to criticize, friends. Very easy to just put a small post on social media. You have to start understanding much more needs to be done than a simple post to make a difference in the lives of the people. And I can assure you, we are here to make a difference in the lives of the people. When this district was being formed, many meetings were held. Many meetings. When we had to select the name, many meetings were held even then. It's not that we just sat down one day and finalized. A large consultation was done, and different people were asked for their opinion. And when we zeroed down, we felt that there must be some linkage to the parent district. We are a matrilineal society. We continue our lineage from our mothers. West Khasias is by default the mother. And therefore the cabinet felt that there must be some lineage to show the lineage towards the mother. And therefore, names like North-West were suggested. When we looked at the North, it was not in the North. Then the East-West was suggested. When we looked at it, we said East alone would not really signify. So therefore, if you look at this district, it falls on the eastern part of West Khasi Hills. Hence, it's the eastern of West Khasi Hills. Hence, it is the eastern West Khasi Hills. A lot of people would take some time to understand that. But let me assure you that there was a lot of thought process that went into the naming of this district. It was not just a decision we took immediately without any thinking. But as I said, more importantly, what is important for us to know that we need to take forward this district and we need to take forward West Khasi Hills district to make it come up from the bottom right now to the top. That is really what our challenge is, and that should be what our goal is.